Today Core announces the initial public offering as of July 28, 2022. Core is pleased to announce 3 listed companies with an initial public offering on July 28, 2022. Number 1, Maia Biotechnology Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MAIA, offered an amount of $13.4 million. The company announced an initial public offering of 1.6 million units at a price to the public of $6 per unit. Maia Biotechnology Incorporated is a targeted therapy, immuno-oncology company, focused on the development of first-in-class drugs with novel mechanisms of action that are intended to meaningfully improve and extend the lives of people with cancer. The company intends to use the net proceeds from this offering as follows. First, to fund the first part of the planned Phase 2 trial of THIO for NSCLC indication, as well as for CRC, HCC, and SCLC. Second, to fund preclinical to IND development for 2 second-generation telomere targeting compounds, and the remaining proceeds to fund our other research and development activities, as well as for working capital and other general corporate purposes. Number 2, ECB Bancorp Incorporated, Nasdaq ECBK, offered an amount of $106.3 million. The company announced an initial public offering of 10.6 million units at a price to the public of $10 per unit. ECB Bancorp Incorporated is the holding company for the East Carolina Bank. The bank offers commercial and consumer banking services throughout counties located in North Carolina. ECB Bancorp intends to fund a loan to the employee stock ownership plan to purchase shares of common stock in the stock offering and contribute cash and shares of common stock to our charitable foundation. The company may also use to invest in investment securities consistent with their investment policy, to pay cash dividends to stockholders, to repurchase shares of their common stock, and for other general corporate purposes. And number 3, Dorchester Capital Acquisition Corporation, New York Stock Exchange DSPKU, offered an amount of $150 million. The company announced an initial public offering of 15 million units at a price to the public of $10 per unit. Dorchester Capital Acquisition Corporation operates as a blank check company. The company aims to acquire one and more businesses and assets via a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, and reorganization. The net proceeds held in the trust account, fewer amounts released to the trustee to pay redeeming stockholders, may be used as consideration to pay the sellers of a target business with which they ultimately complete their business combination. This video is brought to you by Core, where you can track, monitor, and search for yours and other stock news and information. Thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up, subscribe, and never miss another Core announcement.